reason number 4, satisfaction guaranteed. And I can actually proudly say that we do offer a high quality customer service experience, and this is not just words. You can actually go either to our VickyRoseFit.com website, where you can find a lot of reviews that the girls been sharing with us. Thank you all so much for doing this. You can go to our Etsy store, where we also have 100 plus reviews, and you're more than welcome to check those out. So our goal is to make you happy. When you're happy, we're happy as well. We want you don't stress out about your bikini at all. Let us to handle this, and you just continue focusing on your super hard training, on your strict dieting, and your makeup, your hair, etc., etc. Also, when I'm talking about satisfaction, for example, you can ask us to send the updates about how their process with your bikini going, and I'm more than welcome even to give you my personal phone number, and we can chat. I can send you some pictures, and the girls who've been ordering bikini from me before, they know what I'm talking about. It even feels that we do become friends with a lot of you over time, because we do have many returning customers. And it's just hard to call you girls customers, because you, like as I said, you're becoming my friends. So my beauties, no matter what, we're gonna make it work for you.